I'll subscribe.
No, I don't want people subscribe to my YouTube though.
But I want to know your YouTube channel, so if you don't mind.
Okay, I'll give you my YouTube.
Dang, nice.
I don't have that a lot of subscribers, so
That's fine.
hope you're not gonna judge me.
Wait, what do you do?
What for a living?
No, like on YouTube?
I
Do
do.
content?
Okay, can you please not watch my YouTube content?
Daddy, chill.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay. How old are you?
Bro,
Did
you
just
have
what
one.
the? Did you just watch
No.
it? I know it. I just want to.
I didn't watch it, but I just checked it. You have 1.7. What the fuck do you mean?
I told you not to check my YouTube. Come on, bro.
Am I one of your contents now, huh?
If you want to be my content right now,
Bro.
but just chilling right now. But then I see you, okay?
Uh-huh.
Tagalog na lang nga tayo. Tangang hirap mag-English.
Sino ba nanguna kasi?
Ano ako di
Snot.
mag-English kanina, di ba? Mukha kang ano, Japanese. Sabi ko mag-arigatou gozaimasu ba ako dito? Hindi, seryoso nga, akala ko kanina. Nasa Canada ka? Ah, okay. Paano mo na-handle yung mga ganyang ano? Ikaw, paano mo na-handle?
Alin?
Yung pagiging ganda.
Yo, I swear to God, if you're like
No, I'm
doing
serious. That's a real question though. Seryoso yun. Okay? That's serious.
handle what?
Yung kagandahan mo nga, paano mo na-handle yung mga ganun?
What do you mean?
Napasobra naman natin yung binigay ng nasa taas sa'yo. Oo nga.
Unfair ba?
Sobrang unfair, sobra. Parang oo.
Sorry naman.
Lahat ng mga, siguro sabihin natin, girls and boys, nasa iyo ang hanap. Oo.
Bro.
But first of all, I really like your eyes, your eyebrows.
Dito tayo sa gilid ng walang makita. Buksan mo ng balier, meron nga sorpresa.
Bakit?
Huwag ka sa'kin maaling, di ako bitin.
Oh my God.
Why? O bakit ka ano? If
You're allowed.
yeah, they're allowed to, put their face on my YouTube. Yeah, you can, if you're gonna check my YouTube, but don't check it right now, 'cause I just wanna do some makeup shit. But
Oh yeah.
But you already checked my YouTube, so I can do that shit. Hindi ko na magagawa
Okay.
yun. Hindi ko na magagawa na ano. Kala ko sana ano eh. Hindi, wait lang. Itong katanungan ko. Ilang taon ka na ba sa Canada?
9 months.
9 months?
Yeah.
Kailan mo ko balak uwian? Umuwi ka na dito, babe.
Ay, what the Gusto mo na ako ba umuwi?
Oh, umuwi ka na.
Sige, uwi na ako.
Talaga? Hindi ako naniniwalang uuwi ka.
Nah, I can't go home right now. Hana.
Hana?
Mhm.
Hindi ko alam kung mabibigkas mo tong pangalan ko, pero hindi ko alam kung mapopronounce mo ng maganda.
I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it.
Bakit?
I fucking knew it.
You fucking knew it, what?
You're gonna say